In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, select this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add a video file, click on it right away. Or tap on this gallery icon next to camera and select it from here. When you're done, click on this arrow at the top left corner. If you wish to add an audio file, you need to create it and add it. In order to do that, hold this microphone at the bottom. Start recording, and when you're finished, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!